Hello guys, on this video I'm going to be teaching you the best time frame for TRSS that you can use for analysis and for your entry. Alright, so stay tuned to this video is over, and don't forget to like, share to your friends and subscribe to the channel if you are new to join the family. TRSS works best when separate analysis from entries. One time frame will show you the directions and the other time frame will give you precisions, your entries. So first of all, we'll be starting with the higher time frame. What do you use the higher time frame for? What do you use the higher time frame for? The higher time frame is used for what? Market directions. Let me write it out. Market directions. It's used for market directions. What are the purpose? To identify true trend reversals and structure shifts. So if price is making a structure shift, you use the higher time frame to know. If price is making a true trend reversals, use your higher time frame to know. So the recommended higher time frame that you can use are what? We have the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hours time frame. We have the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hours time frame. The 1 hour time frame is our best overall for TRSS, for spot structures in TRSS, and your 4 hours time frame is used for spotting out strong trend reversals or long-term trade, long-term structures, long-term reversals. So that is what you use your 4 hours time frame to do. And what do you look for in this higher time frame? You are looking for a clear trend market, whether price is actually going up or price is actually going down. You'll see if price is making, you use your higher time frame to check if price is actually giving you a reversal pattern, which is an equal highs or an equal low. You'll still use the higher time frame to confirm if price is giving you a major break of a major break of structures. That's what you use your higher time frame to do. If there's no any structure break, there is no entry. Let me repeat it again. If there's no structure break, you're looking at the market and you didn't figure out any structure break, there is no entry. I'll be showing you the entry confirmations you should be using. There's entry time frame. Let me give you the entry time frame you should be using. Your entry time frame, which is your lower time frame. So what is your lower time frame used for? It's used for execution, to execute trade. That's what you make use of your lower time frame for. What are the purpose? To find low risk and for precise entries after confirmations. And the recommended time frame you can use for entries are what? We have the 15 minutes time frame. We have the 5 minutes time frame. And we have the 1 minute time frame. Your 1 minute time frame is specially meant for experienced trader. If you are not experienced, don't go and use 1 minute time frame to trade. Unless you are experienced, that is when I will advise you should go and make use of 1 minute time frame to trade. What you can be using 5 minutes, 15 minutes for your entry. And what are you looking for in this lower time frame? You are looking for pullback of a structure break. When a structure is broken, you wait for price to pull back. That's what you are looking for. Rejection candlesticks. Rejection candlesticks. That's what you are looking for. And microstructure breaks. Microstructure breaks in the new direction that price is going. This is where TRSS entry are executed. Let me now show you how to pair this, because I see that most of us don't know the time frame we can use for entry. and the time frame we can use for analysis. Okay, let me show you this now. Let me clear up this so that chart will be new and it. So look at this now. Let me show you the time frame. Time frame. There's time frame pairing. Let's pair the time frame together. Let's pair this time frame together. This is most reliable TRSS setup. If you're making use of 1 hour time frame for analysis, if you are making use of 1 hour time frame to identify your directions and to know the structures of the market, to analyze finish, then you make use of what? Your 5 minutes time frame for your entry. 5 minutes time frame for your entry. If you're making use of 30 minutes time frame for analysis, if you're making use of 30 minutes time frame for analysis, that is when you will use 1 minute time frame for your entries. And if you're making use of 4 hours for your analysis, if you're making use of 4 hours for your analysis, your entry should be what? 15 minutes. Your entry should be what? 15 minutes. If you're using 1 hour time frame to spot out your structures of the market, your entry should be at what? 5 minutes time frame. If you're using 30 minutes time frame to spot out the structures of the market, your what? Entry will be what? 1 minute time frame. And if you're using 1 hour, 4 hours time frame to spot out the structures of the market, your entry should be what? 15 minutes time frame. If you're using a daily time frame to spot out the structures of the market, your entry should be what? 1 hour time frame. Time frame to avoid for TRSS. Don't go and start analyzing and start trading with one time frame. Let's say you analyze with 4 hours, you can't go enter trade with 4 hours. And don't go and enter charts that is noisy. Start to spot a trend for inside noisy charts. Don't go and enter your lower time frame without your higher time frame confirmation. TRSS is structure based. No be candlestick gambling, and structure based. So you must follow the rules. The rules is what? The higher time frame tells you the story, and the lower time frame gives you entry. If both did not agree, my brother, stand out. And for those of us that are trading volatility 75 index, 25 index, 50 index, structure market is very sweet with 1 hour time frame. I've observed it and I've noticed it. If you look at your 1 hour time frame, you see that the structures are always aligning. They're always sweet to analyze with the 1 hour time frame and making entries with the 50 minutes time frame. And the overall summary of everything is that if you are looking for trend or structure of the market, go to your higher time frame, which is your 1 hour time frame or your 4 hours time frame. If you are looking for entry confirmations, go to your lower time frame. If you are looking for sniper entry, now for your 1 minute time frame, but now for advanced traders. If you are new to trading and you are using 1 minute time frame, I don't think you can survive long for the trade. The 1 minute time frame is meant for what? Advanced traders, not be for newbie. You can use 5 minutes time frame for your entry. You can use 15 minutes time frame for your entry, but no go 1 minute time frame. See, so this is it. I believe you have understand something new and know the kind of time frame you have to be using for analysis and for your entry. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to join the family, and don't forget to like and share to your friends as well. All right, take care and bye for now.